In this video, I will show you how to connect to iDisk's cluster systems, including Pegasus and Triton. In order to connect to the servers, you will need to be connected to the appropriate network based upon your location. If you're connecting on campus, you will want to connect to the secure Canes Wi-Fi network. If you are off campus, you will need to connect to the university's VPN by installing UMIT's GlobalProtect client. We provide this direct link in our documentation. By selecting this, you will be taken to UMIT's VPN page, and you can select the box link here that contains the installer for the VPN. Select this folder. Then you will want to select the installer that matches your operating system. Once you've installed the GlobalProtect application, it will appear as a globe, and it will ask you for a portal address. Here we will want to type in vpn.miami.edu and select connect, and in a few moments it will connect to the VPN and we are all set. Great. There are two main methods of connecting to the cluster. We can either SSH in through the command prompt or use an SSH application like PuTTY. To use the command prompt, we can select the Start button here and type in CMD. If you're on a Mac, it's called Terminal. So once the command prompt has been opened, you will type in the SSH command, followed by your Cane ID, then the domain name of either Pegasus or Triton. For this example, I will use Pegasus. Pegasus.ccs.miami.edu. Enter. Then you will type in your password. And you are now connected to the Pegasus cluster. The other method is to connect through an SSH application like PuTTY. I've already installed PuTTY, but we provide a link to PuTTY in our documentation. It is a free open source platform and it is commonly used, so you can also just Google it and it will usually be the first thing that pops up. Once you've installed PuTTY, you can go ahead and open it, and we can set up your Pegasus or Triton configuration. Here, let's do Triton. So under hostname, we will type in Triton's hostname, triton.ccs.miami.edu. Then we can leave everything else as default, and we will click Open. Once the login as prompt has appeared, we can type in our Cane ID, followed by our Triton password. And we've connected to the Triton cluster. So those are the two main methods of connecting to the iDisk cluster systems.